Subcribe.
What a nice day! Time to set up shop! Phew! All done! Time to change into something nicer. There we go! Oh, I think I hear some customers arriving. Hi! Welcome to Pinkie Pie store. Meet me at the cash register when you're ready.
Woo! Look at all this stuff!
Let's go check it out! Ooh, that looks cool!
Look at this!
Whoa! Check out this stuff! I can climb on stuff too! Oh, I can't decide!
Okay, I'm ready! I'm ready, Pinkie Pie!
Alrighty, let me ring you up.
This Paw Patrol chocolate surprise egg is $2. This Tuesdays is $5.
Your total comes out to $7.
Alright, let me get my cash.
Ooh, exact change. Okie dokie Loki. Thanks for shopping at Pinkie Pies. Come back again.
Okay, I'm ready! Here you go, Pinkie Pie!
Awesome. Let me ring you up.
Time for some fun! I, Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess.
This Disney Princess Fashions is $4. This My Little Pony blind bag is $3.
Okay, your total is $7.
Alright, here's my card! Finally ready! I'm ready, Pinkie Pie!
Alright, let me take care of that for you.
This Hello Kitty Fashions is $1. This Lala Loopsy Tinies is $5.
Your total comes out to $6. Here you go.
I, Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess.
Here is your change.
Thank you!
Thanks so much for shopping here, guys.
Your shop is the best!
Here's an extra toy on the house. Enjoy.
Thanks, Pinkie Pie!
You're the best! Bye! Alright, now let's open up all the surprise toys Rocky, Owlet, and Everest bought. We'll start with this Disney Frozen Fashions. Awesome! We found a cute baby Olaf! Let's see how squishy Olaf is. Wow, this is really stretchy too. Alright, next up is a Tuesdays. Hopefully we find matching friends. Hey, we found Chargy. Alright, we need to find Bumpy. Chargy and Bumpy are clumsy friends, always bumping into each other. Ah, nope. This isn't Bumpy. We found Billy. Now we need to find Pinkie. Billy and Pinkie are true feathered friends. Time to check out this Paw Patrol surprise egg. Ooh, check this out! We got a Zuma eraser and a yellow bone eraser. And this is kind of like the Kinder Joys. The other half of the egg has a nice chocolate surprise. What you do is dip your spoon in some chocolate. Then cover it with these crispy treats. And take a bite. This is pretty good. Now let's check out the Disney Princess fashions. We found Belle from Beauty and the Beast. This one's not as squishy or stretchy compared to the Disney Frozen fashions. Okay, let's see who's inside this My Little Pony blind bag. Whoa! We got Pinkie Pie. We saw her earlier. Pinkie Pie, are you a magician? How'd you end up inside the blind bag? But nice to see you again. Let's open up this Hello Kitty fashions now. Whoa! We found a nightmare Hello Kitty. Looks like Hello Kitty didn't want Halloween to end. She's got on a pretty awesome costume. I like the Hello Kitty fashions because they're super squishy like the Frozen ones. We got one more. It's a Lala Loopsy Tiny surprise toy. I think we found Mary Golden Petals, but in pink. So I guess her name is Mary Pink Petals for now. If this is a different character though, let me know in the comments. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.